Elise is one of those songs that you come across when you start taking music seriously. My name is Anjal and I'm here to teach you this beautiful song note by note to make sure it sounds as good as it generally sounds on a piano. Now this entire song has mostly 3 to 4 main lines to learn, and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start it on the first string. We go 12, 11, 12, 11, 12. And then we just add 7, 10, 8. Like that. This part together we have. And then you go into the A minor bar chord. You plug the top string with the first string. Then you simply plug 5th string, 4th string, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Okay, so when you hold the A minor chord, you just do top with the first and then just go down. Like that. From the start up till here, we have right after that, you let the pinky come down, catch the 7 on the first string. Now the ring finger is already holding the 7 on the 5th. When the pinky comes, catches the 7, you can take the bar off and you can just plug those two strings, 5th and the 1st, together. Then the middle finger can come, catch the 6, 2nd string open, and you can just take your hand off for the 1st string. Okay, so this part you have 7 and the 7, 1st and the 5th string, 6 on the 4, 2nd string open, 1st string open. So from the A minor chord you have like that. Right after that you have 4, 7, 8 with the 5th string open, and then you can make a quick bar on the 5th and the 4th string on the 7th fret, and you can just do that 7, 7. So from the A minor up till here, okay, so you have the 7 goes down, 4, 7, 8 with the 5th string open, and then 7, 7. And that will kinda complete this line. So all of this very slowly from the start we have. Very well done. That takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. We have okay, let's break that down. Now you can already see a lot of the things are very similar to the first line. So the first half is actually exactly the same. The only difference is that we started with the 0. So we play the 0 on the first string, and then first half goes exactly the same like the first line. Same A minor to the 7/7. So up till here it's exactly like how we did the first line. Right after this, the ring finger, I don't take that off so that I can catch that 7 later on. I just let my pinky go, catch the 8, then the 7 on the first string, let my bar come back, catch the 5 and the 5, and then let the pinky come back on the 7, and I can just do. Okay, so just to do that 7, I kind of don't take it off. Okay, so only the last part, that is where the difference actually happens, and of course the 0 in the beginning. So this last part, one more time, we did the A minor, then the 7/7. Now this time instead of 4, you go to 8, 7, and then you have the same A minor back. Okay, and on the A minor, you do top string with the first, 5th string, 4th string. Now all of that very slowly we have. Somewhat like that. Right after that, the first line comes back again and the second line comes back again. So you just play it back again. So we have very good. And then the next line comes, that's where the changes happen and it kind of makes this song a little difficult. Okay, so the next line goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we were on the A minor. This is the last thing that we did. Okay, right after that, instead of going back to the 12, we are gonna do, let the pinky go down, catch the 7 on the first string. Okay, so we do 7, we do 8, we go all the way to the 10. Okay, so we had from the A minor, and then this bar will start to drag with the pinky as you catch the 12 and you make a bar chord on the 8th fret. Okay, so we are going to catch the 12 with the 8 like that. Okay, very good. So this is the shape that is going to throw you off mostly. So let's do it again. From the A minor, you did. Okay, and then you can either keep 2 fingers like that to catch the 10 and 10 on the 5th or on the 4th string, or you can kind of bar it. I like to do that at times, but you have 2 options. Okay, whatever feels more comfortable. So you did the 12 and the 8, then you bar it, or you keep the fingers like that. Then you play the 2nd string. You're already holding it with the bar here, and then you let the pinky reach the 13 and then the 12. Okay, so this part from the 8 and the 12 you have. Very good. Then you let the ring finger come down, catch the 10 on the first string. You're already holding the 5th string, 10th fret, you play that together. Then you catch the 9 with the first string on the first finger on the 4th string, 9th fret. You can take the fingers off and you can make a bar chord with the pinky on the 12. Okay, now this is why this song can feel super difficult. Okay, I know bar chords are already hard, and here I'm asking you to make it with the pinky. Anyway, so you make a bar chord with the pinky, you catch the 4th, the 3rd, and then the 1st. Okay, so this part from the 10-10, you did this 1st string and the 5th string. You have 9, you have 12 with the pinky again 12 on the 3rd, and then the 1st string. Okay, right after that you can let the middle finger come back to catch the 10. Up till here, okay, I'll play you back from the 12 and the 10, so it's easy for you to understand it. So pinky is on the 12, you have a bar chord and you're catching the 8 on the top string. You play that together. You let the ring in the middle, let's say, come. 2nd string 8, 13, 12, let the ring finger come down. You have 9, bar chord. Okay, so when you have the bar chord, you're basically plucking 4th, 3rd and 1st. Then you let it come to 10. And then you drag that middle finger back instead of using the 1st finger, because we will be needing them to bar. So you drag the middle finger back to the 8, play that with the 5th string open. And then you kind of make this bar and catch the 7-7. Okay, so this part up till here, a little slowly, we have okay, and then you just have 0, 10, 8 on the 1st string, followed by 7 with the top string open, and then you end that with the 7 on the 5th string. So that will kind of complete this line. Okay, this entire line very slowly. I know it's a little difficult, but with little practice you should be able to get it. So this entire line very slowly we have. Very good. And that kind of completes your song, because after that we join it back to the first line again. We do 12 times 0, 12. Sorry, not 12 times, 6 times 0, 12, followed by 0, 11 on the 7th time. So right after this, you did this last. So after that 7, you do 0, 12, 0, 12, 6 times on the first string. And on the 7th time, you do the 0, 11. And you just join it back after that. Like that. Okay, so it just goes back to the start of the song. Okay, so this part again, you go. So everything just keeps going on again. This time you play both the lines only once. You go directly into the next one. And you again do the same thing. 0, 12, 0, 12, 6 times. 7th time you have the 0, 11. Okay, now this is the part where we have a little change at the very end. Okay, so the final time when you're doing this, after that, we kind of end it like that. Okay, so the notes that generally go from the A minor, I'm gonna play it. So you have the A minor, you play 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. Let the pinky come down as usual, play the 7 with the 7. Let the 6 come in for the 4th. This time make sure you take that ring finger off because we want to use that soon enough. You play the 2nd string open. That ring finger comes and catches the 7 on the 3rd string. And then you just have 8, 7, 5 with the 5th string open. So this end part, very slowly, we have and that will complete this song for you. Now that we are through with all of that, it's time for you to head into the play along. But before you do that, make sure every section of the song is very good. The song itself is a little quick, so I highly suggest you to practice first and then come back to this section of this video. But if you feel like you're already very good with the song, then let's dive right into the play along and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case there are still any doubts, any queries, suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.